We will be doing substitution method. We will be doing 3 sets of problems for unique solution, mini solution and no solution. So I have taken the first equation as 3x plus y equal to 15, x plus 2y equal to 10, and I have checked for the consistency condition. I find that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which is a unique solution condition. So when we start with substitution method, the first thing that we have to do is you have to choose one of the equation from the given question. I have picked equation 2 and I have eliminated x from it. So I get x is equal to 10 minus 2y. So this is your new equation, which is equation number 3. Now we have to make it a point that equation 3 was obtained from equation 2. So equation 3 need to be substituted in equation 1. That is why this is called a substitution method. You find a variable from one and try to substitute in the other. So when I substitute 3 in 1, I will be getting 3 times 10 minus 2y plus y equal to 15. So when I solve this, I get my y value as 3. So once I obtain my y value, I already have an answer for one variable. My idea is to find out the other variable, which is x. So in order to obtain x, I substitute this y equal to 3 in equation 2. Not necessarily you should equate only in 2. You can substitute either in 1, 2 or in 3 the value of y to obtain your x value. Here I have taken equation 2. Your equation 2 is x plus 2y equal to 10. So x plus 2 in place of y I have substituted 3. That's equal to 10. When I solve it, I get x is equal to 4. So the solution that I have got is 4 comma 3. So 4 comma 3 is the value of x and y that will satisfy both of these equations. And this is the same sum that we did in elimination method in the previous video. So this is the second example in substitution. I have taken 2x plus 5y equal to 10, 10x plus 25y equal to 50. So when I check for the consistency condition, we see that a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are all equal. So this is the condition of infinitely many solution. So for this also we do the same technique. We choose any one of the equation. Here I have taken equation 1. So from first equation I found out what is x. So first I took 5y to the other side. Then I found out x is equal to 10 minus 5y by 2. So this becomes my new third equation. So since I obtained the third equation from the first equation, I will be substituting this 3 in the second, as I told you earlier. So when I substitute in place of x, I get 10 times this 10 minus 5y by 2 plus 25y is equal to 50 is there. This 2 and 10 cancels 5 times. So I will be left with this. So when I multiply 5 inside, I get 50 minus 25y plus 25y is equal to 50. I see that minus 25y plus 25y cancels off. You get 50 is equal to 50. This is a sure thing to happen. So whenever I end up with solution like this, when both sides are equal, I assume any one of the variables as k. K can be any real number. Here I have assumed my y as k. So when I substitute y as k in equation 3, because 3 will directly give me x. So in equation 3, if I substitute y as k, I get x is equal to 10 minus 5k by 2. So my solution will be 10 minus 5k by 2 comma k. So for any value of k, the correspondingly your x value will change. So I made an example here. I have taken a k as 1. So when y is 1, that is k is 1, I substitute the k value as 1 here. I will see that my x is 5 by 2. So the solution when k is assumed as 1 is 5 by 2 comma 1. Likewise, I can obtain several solutions by changing the value of k. So this is an example of infinitely many solution type in substitution method. So this is the third example. For no solution, I have taken two equations, 2x plus 3y equal to 10, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. When I check with the consistency condition, I get that a1 by a2 is 1 by 1, b1 by b2 is also 1 by 1, but c1 by c2 is 5 by 6. So which means a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. So this is a no solution consistency case. So let's see how to proceed in substitution method. So here again the same option, you need to pick any one of the equation. I have taken equation 1. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 10. From that I am eliminating x. So x will be 10 minus 3y by 2. I take that as a new third equation. Once I obtain the third equation, since I have obtained it from 1, I will substitute 3 in 2. So when I substitute third equation in the second one, I get 2 into, in place of x I will substitute 10 minus 3y by 2 plus 3y is equal to 12. Now this 2 will get cancelled away. So I will be left with 10 minus 3y plus 3y equal to 12. This minus 3y and plus 3y also cancels each other. So I will be having 10 is equal to 12. But this is not true. It is illogical. So whenever you end up with a statement or numbers like this, where one number is not equal to the other number, then you say this system of equation has no solution. So this is an example of a no solution type problem in substitution method. Thank you.